Hello everyone, I'd like to do a quick review of this combination locks of 4 digits. They're pretty straightforward to use. By default they've set to 0. I've set them to 8. So right now this one's locked and you just need to dial them all to number 8 and you can easily unlock them. So see, but if you want to change the code, it's pretty straightforward. Just need to turn them to 90 degrees like this. Make sure to push them before you turn them. Now it's 90 degrees. Then you can set to any code you like. So let's change it to 666 just for the experiment, just to show you. So it all aligned at 666. You remove it from this stuck location. Sorry, I'm operating with one hand. It's not that easy. Okay, and just put them in, change the code, so change the dial, sorry, turn the dial. So now it's locked, and then to open, you just go back to number 6 that we just set with you, and you should be good to go. Okay, sorry. Yep. And what I like about this locks, they're pretty light and they can be used in any, I think, gym or any other place. I think they fit in a locker.